Hi friends, my name is Rishu
and my name is Devansh.
Once again, welcome to our channel.
Ask Adi Yoga.
Friends, yoga is very good for elders. The same way yoga is very helpful for the kids also. Yoga is not only improve kids' physical and mental health, but also improve their immunity and protect kids from different kind of diseases. But there is a slight difference between the technique of elders and kids. So watch this video till end.
And also please like, share and subscribe our channel.
So let's start the video. So let's start with the posture. First, lie down on your back, join your heels and big toes together, hands by the side of your body. Bend both the legs from your knees. Raise your legs. Now raise your hands. Interlock your fingers. Hold your knees. Now inhale. While exhaling, take your knees near to your chest. Close your eyes. In this posture, do not raise your neck. Don't hold your breath and the breathing should be normal. Stay there 5 to 8 seconds. Now open your eyes. Inhale, release your stretch and take your hand down. From there, we are going to do second posture. Take a distance between both the legs. Raise your hands up. With your index finger and middle finger, hold your big toes. Now place your lower back properly on the floor and spread your legs like this. Your neck should be relaxed. Don't hold your breath. Keep smiling. Close your eyes. Stay there. Now again open your eyes. Release your hands, take your hands back and join your heels and big toes together. Keep your legs straight. Now the next posture is, first raise your head up, take your hands back with the help of your hands, slowly take sitting, take your hands back. Now bend your legs from your knees, raise your leg up. Try to keep your back straight, raise your hands one by one if possible. Stay there, stretch your back, look forward, keep smiling. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Take your hands down. Keep your legs straight. Now take sitting. Now the next posture, sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. If possible, you can sit in Padmasana. Sit straight. First place your right palm on the floor and raise your left hand from the side of your body. Now bend your left hand. Inhale while exhaling. Bend your upper body towards the right side and close your eyes. Keep smiling, breathing normal, don't hold your breath. Open your eyes, inhale, raise your upper body up. Now keep your left hand straight and take your left hand down. Now same from the other side, place the left palm on the floor, raise your right hand up. Bend your right hand, inhale, now exhale, siderolateral bending towards the left side and close your eyes. Enjoy your practice, do not hold your breath, keep smiling. Open your eyes, inhale, raise your upper body up, keep your hands straight. Now first release your right hand, take your hand down, sit straight. Now release your legs one by one and shake your legs. Now the next posture, join your heels and big toes together. First, bend your right leg from your knee and take your left heel towards the right side of your body. Now take your right heel towards the left side of your body. Very good. Now catch your big toes, sit straight, inhale. And exhale, bend forward, try to touch your forehead on your right knee. Stay there. Inhale, slowly come back. Back to sitting. Keep smiling, sit straight. Now raise your hands from the side of your body and join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Try to sit straight. Now open your eyes, take your hands down. Now release your legs one by one and shake your legs. We'll do it same from the other side. Join your heels and big toes together. Bend your left leg slightly and take your right heel towards the left side and left towards the right side. Take your knees near to each other. Sit straight. Catch your big toes. Now inhale, exhale, forward bending. Try to touch your forehead on your left knee. Now inhale, slowly come back. Exhale. Sit straight, raise your hands from the side of your body and join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Sit straight, close your eyes. Breathing normal. Open your eyes. Now exhale, take your hands down. Now release your leg one by one and shake your legs. From there, take standing. Now the next posture, take a comfortable distance between both the legs according to your height. Big toes slightly in, heels slightly out. Raise your both hands from the side of your body. Now inhale, while exhaling, twist your upper body towards the right side. And look your right hand, keep your eyes open, breathing normal. Inhale, slowly come back. Same from the other side, exhale, twist your upper body towards the left side and look your left hand. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath and keep smiling. Now inhale, slowly come back. Now the next posture, place your left palm back of your head and inhale. While exhaling, bend your upper body towards the right side and gently place your right hand on your right leg. Roll your left hand slightly back. Breathing should be normal. Inhale, slowly come back. Raise your upper body up, raise your right hand up. Now take your left hand down. Now this time, other side. Bend your right hand, place your right palm back of your head. Now exhale, bend your upper body towards the left side and place your left hand on your left leg. Roll your right hand slightly back. Look forward, be careful. Don't lose your balance, stay there. Inhale, raise your upper body up and raise your left hand also from the side. Now take your right hand back. Now exhale, take your hands down. Now join your legs together. Join your heels and big toes together. Now from there, bend your right leg and place your right leg on your left leg like this. Balance. Join your hands in Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Keep your eyes open, breathing. Now, careful. Stay there. Now slowly release your hands and release your right leg. Shake your legs. Good. Now we are going to do it from other side. Join heels and big toes together. First, bend your left leg and place on your right leg like this. Balance. And raise your hands. Join your hands in Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Focus. Find your balance. Eyes open. Now take your hands down and take your leg down. Shake your legs. Now from there, lie down on your stomach. Now, very first, place your both the palms near to your chest. Take a comfortable distance in your legs. Now raise your head and chest from the ground. Place your elbows one by one on the floor. Join your wrists together and place your face between your both the palms. Now gently bend your both the legs from your back. Join your heels and big toes together. Roll your shoulders back and close your eyes. Stay there for a few seconds. Keep smiling. Don't hold your breath. Now open your eyes. The very first, take your legs down. Now release your hands one by one. Place your palms on the floor and exhale. Slowly come back. Now next posture. Legs remain same, palms near to your chest. Inhale, raise your forehead, chin, chest, raise your upper body from the ground and roll your shoulders back. Don't shrink your shoulders and if possible close your eyes. Keep smiling. Don't hold your breath. Now exhale, slowly come back. Place your forehead on the ground. Now join your heels and big toes together. Palms near to your chest. Slowly take sitting. Inhale and come to the child pose. Exhale. If possible, touch your forehead on the floor. Now inhale, raise your head up and slowly come to the sitting. Friends, kids must practice yoga under elders' guidance and make sure while they are practicing yoga, they should not use extra force. How you like this video? Please let us know in the comment box. We will meet you soon with our new videos. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe and stay active.
Also, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you.